Hello traders. In this video, we are looking at the RSI Bars Indicator for MT4 and MT5. This tool blends RSI information directly into the price bars themselves, helping you see momentum conditions and overbought or oversold states without constantly referring to a separate oscillator window. At this point, I'll load the indicator on the charts so you can see how it looks in real time. Remember to allow DLL imports. And there we have it. The RSI bars indicator colors or styles the price candles based on the current RSI value, effectively turning the chart bars into a visual reflection of momentum. When RSI is in a normal or neutral zone, bars may appear in default color, while readings that move into overbought or oversold areas cause bars to change to distinct colors, in this case, this blue and thick red color, as you can see on the charts. So these colors now stand out better than the normal price bars that we usually have on the charts. As RSI rises toward the upper band, more bars may take on a strong color, like I said, implying increasing bullish momentum. As RSI moves toward the lower band, bars shift to a weak color, implying growing bearish pressure. The red color and the blue colors. This approach lets you see where momentum extremes occur in direct alignment with price structure without flipping between price and traditional RSI panels. As for the settings, let's take a look at the inputs we have. So we have the RSI period, which is set to default here 55, the RSI price, the overbought zones, the oversold zones, the bar width, the candle width. They're all here. And we can also customize the colors that appear on the charts. So who's this indicator for? The RSI bars indicator is suited to traders who like RSI but prefer a clean main chart without separate sub-windows, and who want momentum information fused directly into price action. It is a visual analytical tool only. It does not execute trades, and colored bars should be interpreted alongside market structure, trend direction, and other confirmations. As with standard RSI, strong trends can keep bars in an overbought or oversold color for extended periods, and in choppy markets, frequent color shifts may not lead to meaningful moves. The download link is in the description below. You can read more about the RSI bars indicator and see chart examples at the Forex Geek. Make sure you subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss upcoming educational videos.